Dear Sherry, my question is, do burnt edibles work? I accidentally cooked my latest batch of cookies a little bit too long, and I was going to eat them anyway, but my friend said just throw them out because since they were overcooked, the THC wouldn't work. Now, I ate one and I could have sworn I felt something, but is there anything to that, or is that in my mind? Thanks. Well, that's a great question. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So the question is, do burnt edibles work? If you over baked your cookies or your brownies, and by the way, check out the comments below because there's going to be links to some of my favorite cookie and brownie recipes and tips. But the question is, would they still work if you burnt them? And the answer is chances are yes, they'll work to some degree at least. If you've really charred them totally, then maybe no, they wouldn't work. But if they're just somewhat overcooked or a little bit burnt around the edges and you can stand that burnt taste, you're probably going to get some medicinal value out of them. Now, I've talked about this in other videos about the upper range of cooking temperatures that you can use without degrading your THC, and there'll be a link to that in the comments below. But the bottom line is, as long as the interior of all of that cookie did not get too hot, you're going to be okay, and you'll at least get some medical value out of it or somewhat of a buzz out of it, which beats throwing it in the trash. It at least merits trying it out, and it sounds like you did that already to some good results, so why question it? Your friend is wrong in this case. They were not so burnt that you invalidated your THC. So it always pays to try it out. So yes, burnt edibles can work depending on how burnt they are and how hot the interior of those foods get. I hope this helps. See you next time. Eat your weed.